Schwab Investor Card, honest review, and user experience of the best investment credit card. Looking for a credit card that rewards you while boosting investments? The Schwab Investor Card combines cashback and brokerage integration, and I tried it personally. Here's my honest review. Most people get this wrong, thinking cashback is just cash. The surprising truth is Schwab Investor Card deposits rewards directly into your Charles Schwab brokerage account, giving you an immediate investment boost. Over a few months, I accumulated cashback that automatically purchased stocks and ETFs, helping grow my portfolio effortlessly. Card setup is straightforward. After applying online, I linked it to my Schwab account. Transactions, statements, and rewards tracking are intuitive via the Schwab mobile app. There is no annual fee, and the card offers 5% cashback on every purchase, which is consistent and easy to understand. Security is robust, with virtual card numbers for online purchases, alerts, and zero liability protection. Customer support is responsive and knowledgeable, particularly around investment-linked features. The only limitation is that the card works best for those already using Schwab brokerage accounts. If you don't have an account, integration is necessary to get the full benefit. In conclusion, the Schwab Investor Card is ideal for anyone looking to combine everyday spending with investment growth. It's a smart, low-cost way to earn returns while managing daily expenses.